Welcome to another installment of At Home Nature. While dogs get to play outside, domestic guinea pigs like 2-year-old Gambino and 1-year-old Franklin must stay indoors. But these wild beasts demand freedom. They might look small and like fluffy potatoes, but these pigs are excellent foragers. They could sniff out a treat from at least 5 feet away. Probably. Yet they prefer to be served like royalty. Watch the slow-motion clip capture Gambino's ferocious bite into an apple. Luckily, guinea pigs choose to tolerate their human companions. So long as they are kept well fed. Gambino is usually the more outgoing of the pair. Franklin will still take a few risks of his own, though. Guinea pigs are typically cautious creatures. But Gambino just loves the camera. Tune in next week to see him perform live.